Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll explore the Adjust Round In option and understand the difference between adjusting it in the sale account versus the other account. Let's get started. Head to the sale voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Go to Other Settings. Here you will find an option labeled as Adjust Round In, which involves two available parameters. This feature ensures that the small difference created due to rounding off the final bill amount is properly recorded in accounting, either merged into sales or shown separately. Let's explore the functionality of the first parameter, Adjust Round In Sale Account. After selecting the round-off amount to be adjusted within the sales account itself, make sure that the default round account is left blank in the configuration settings. Because when a default round-off account is specified, the round-off amount will always be posted to that account, regardless of whether the Adjust Round In Sales Account option is selected. In such cases, the system prioritizes the defined round-off account and does not adjust the round-off within the sales account. So let's keep this field blank and move to the billing screen. Here, you can clearly see the round amount of 29 paise. Now, let's go to the journal report to review how the accounts have been posted for this bill. As you can see in the journal report, there is no separate posting for the round-off amount of 29 paise. This indicates that the round-off has been directly adjusted in the sale account in accordance with the configured settings. Let's get back to the sale voucher configuration and observe the functionality of the second parameter, Adjust Round In Other Account. This option ensures that the rounding difference is adjusted in a designated account if defined, other than the sales account. Now, let's select the default round account in Other Settings. Select the ledger account you want to use for posting the round-off difference. If no default round-off account is selected, the round-off amount will automatically be adjusted within the sales account. Therefore, we select the default round-off account as round-off. Don't forget to save the changes made. Now, let's return to the sale bill window and proceed to create a new bill. Here, you can see the round amount of 44 paise. Now, let's go to the journal report to review whether the round-off amount has been posted separately or merged into the sale account. As observed, the round-off amount has been posted separately to the designated round-off account as per the configuration set in the system. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.